Y'all, listen, your girl birthday coming up March 1st, March 1, okay? So if you want to send me a birthday card, a handwritten birthday card, just a little birthday gift to say thank you, Kenyatta, we love you, mwah. I'll leave my P.O. box right here on the screen and in the description box if you want to send me something. I done had this P.O. box for over a year, girl, and I never even mentioned it on my channel, but here it is. If you want to send me something, go ahead and show your love, okay? Hello to all the beautiful people who have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today we are going to be getting into something really juicy. Something I've been wanting to talk about for a while now. I've been wanting to share my 2 cents with you guys. I see it too much and it makes me cringe. So I have to share this with you guys. And that is popping your locks. Girl, I know you guys see on social media, okay? The locticians providing the fresh and crispy retwist, okay? The fresh and crispy retwist. We see it, okay? But the methods in which they choose to achieve these crispy retwists, girl, makes me cringe. So I had to come here and talk about it real quick. But before I get into it, I'm going to let you guys know what popping your locks is. Okay, for those who don't know, of popping your locks is popping hair strands from the root, okay? Popping it out of your lock, all right? Have you ever seen someone doing a retwist? And this is what I see, okay? Locticians, they will part the hair, part it, because they want that straight line. You know, that straight line at the root, you know, that straight line, they want the straight line. So they part it, and then, you know, if there's a hair strand that is interrupting that straight part, and it may not necessarily go into that particular lock or whatever lock they're about to retwist, they create their part, and then they take that hair strand and they pop that joint. Pop it. And then, voila. Straight part, okay? Straight part. So, I hope that was a good way of explaining it, but that's basically what popping your roots are. Popping hair strands from your lock, from your actual lock. I always say, every lock has individual hair strands assigned to that lock. And in no way should we ever remove the hair strands that belong in that lock. Now, I will say there are occasions, there is a time, I believe there's only one reason a person would have to actually pop their locks or separate their locks at the root. And that is when maybe you went a couple of months, 6 months, you know, like a long time without having a retwist. So naturally your hair may begin to grow together. That's understandable why a loctician or individual would just, you know, separate their hair at the root, which also may come with a little bit of popping the roots or popping your locks, like I'm saying here. I understand that, okay? I get that. But for people who get regular maintenance, meaning you don't go like a couple of months, 6 months, you know, long enough for your hair to actually grow together and stick together, okay? You don't go that long, there should be no reason, absolutely zero reasons, reasons that you should pop your locks, okay? This really bothers me because in my mind, I'm like, this person's locks are gonna be thinning and breaking. By the time their hair start getting that length, depending on the maintenance routine and how they keep it up, this is a technique that will create thinning and breaking locks. Now sometimes when I see this technique, I also see people incorporate the locksmithing method into, after they do that, they pop, they, you know, make their part, boop, bop, make their part, pop the locks, and then they do a twist, and then they do the locksmithing method to, I guess, put the hair back into the lock. But what I know is that hair is not fully integrated into that lock. Therefore, it is a weak link. It's a weak link, and this Doing this continuously will lead to thinning and breaking locks, especially if you start to switch up your loctician. Now, maybe it's just the parting for me. The parting is like unnecessary. You can have a crispy retwist without popping your locks. All right? And I can't stress this enough. Each individual lock has individual hair strands assigned to that lock. And if you want your roots to be strong, let them stay where they belong. Okay? Girl, I'm sorry for the passion, girl. It makes me cringe. But y'all, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? Do not, if you see somebody breaking out the comb, no, not this comb. This is actually my nephew's comb. I have to return this to him because I just started his locks. Go ahead and check that video out. I'm going to leave it right here. Shameless plug. If you go to the salon and you're getting a retwist and your loctician breaks out the comb on you, and she hits you with the, hits you with the, girl, find out what they doing. Find out what they doing, because I know you may have went to the salon and got your hair twisted, and they use a comb, and you can feel them parting and popping. Please do not let anyone pop your locks, okay? Pop your little root hairs out of a lock where it is supposed to be, okay? Please don't do it, okay? It will create thinning and breaking locks, all right? I know that the locksmithing method is supposed to integrate that hair right back into locks, but it's not fully integrated. It's simply wrapped tightly around the actual lock, okay? And it's still a weak link. It's not integrated into that lock from the root, okay? Just like a tree has roots that start at the bottom and grow up into the lock with all of its strands attached. That's your roots in your hair, okay? And if you're popping those roots, you're losing that strength, okay? You're losing that strength. You want your roots to start from the bottom, go all the way to the end, okay? Because when you start your locks, that's how it goes. But anyway, I'm going to stop yapping on. This is a real quick video because I wanted to just share my 2 cents on that, because it makes me cringe, y'all. It makes me cringe, okay? I hate it. I hate when I see people. I'm gonna go ahead and stop going on and on, because I just wanted to put this video out real quick and let you guys know how I felt about that. My little 2 cents. I had to drop it real quick. And remember, it's just my opinion. If you don't feel the same way, that's fine. But I feel like it's a lot of thinning and breaking locks coming into fruition when I see this, okay? And I'm trying to stop it. I'm trying to help you prevent that, okay? This is a technique that will create thinning and breaking locks, so you definitely don't want to do that, okay? I'll be cringing for the rest of the year because I don't think it's gonna stop. Anywho, y'all, listen, your girl birthday coming up March 1st. March 1, okay? So if you want to send me a birthday card, a handwritten birthday card, just a little birthday gift to say thank you, Kenyatta, we love you, mwah. I'll leave my P.O. box right here on the screen and in the description box if you want to send me something. I've had this P.O. box for over a year, girl, and I never even mentioned it on my channel, but here it is. If you want to send me something, go ahead and show your love, okay? But anyway, also, I'm going to leave the Cash App right here on the screen. Support the channel, y'all. Support the channel, because YouTube be playing, okay? YouTube be playing, okay? So I'm going to leave the Cash App right here, y'all. Show some love. Listen. Stop letting people pop your locks. Girl, look into it, okay? Look into it. Next time you go to the salon, keep your eye open, girl. Don't let them do it. Don't let them do it. Like I said, each individual hair strand is assigned to an individual lock. Do not pop them. Let them stay strong and stay where they belong. Okay? Anyway, it's your girl Kenyatta here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, your homegirl, baby mama, sister, cousin with locks, anyone with locks, any locticians you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Let them know what we're doing over here at Earth Locks by Kenyatta. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I ride with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.